Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create another TikTok account even if you already have one. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app. Then, tap on your profile button. In the top right corner, tap the three dots. Now, you'll see the Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Log Out. Once you're logged out, you'll see a Sign Up button. Tap on it and you'll have the option to sign up with your phone, email, Facebook, or Gmail. The quickest way is to continue with your Google account, but you can also choose to sign up using your phone or email. If you choose phone or email, just enter the information like a new password and username, and that's it. You've successfully created a new TikTok account. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.